morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are all fine and safe at your homes and enjoying your online homeschooling. Dear students, today we are going to revise our subject GK, chapter number 7. And the name of the chapter number 7 is Important Days and Dates. Okay, in this chapter we will discuss about important days and dates. Means हम कुछ important days के बारे में जानेंगे जो कि हम एक particular date में celebrate करते हैं. Okay. Now let's start with our first important day is New Year. When we celebrate New Year? On which date? Try to give answer. Yes, very good. We celebrate New Year on 1st January. हम न्यू ईयर कब सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? ऑन द 1st January. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डे. वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डे. व्हेन वी सेलिब्रेट आवर वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डे ऑन 7th April. We celebrate the World Health Day on 7th April. Okay. Now next one is Environmental Day. Environment Day. When we celebrate our Environment Day? Try to give answer. Yes, very good. We celebrate Environment Day on 5th June. Then write down here 5th June. Okay. Now next one is Earth Day. When we celebrate our Earth Day? We celebrate our Earth Day on 22nd April. Okay. Then write down here 22nd April. Fifth important day are Teachers Day. Teachers Day. When we do celebrate Teachers Day? Try to give answer. अभी पीछे हमने Teachers Day celebrate किया था. Yes, very good. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September. Okay. In this day, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born. जो डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन थे, उनका जन्म इस दिन हुआ था. He was the second Prime Minister of India. वो second Prime Minister थे इंडिया के. And he was a good teacher. वो एक good teacher थे. उन्हीं की याद में हम 5th September को Teachers Day के रूप में मनाते हैं. Okay. Sixth important day is Friendship Day. Okay. When we celebrate our Friendship Day? We celebrate our Friendship Day on 1st Sunday of August. Sunday of August. Okay. Now, 7th important day is Mother's Day. When we celebrate Mother's Day? Yes, we celebrate Mother's Day on 2nd Sunday of May. Okay. Mother's Day, 2nd Sunday of May. Okay. Next one is Father's Day. Father's Day, we celebrate Father's Day on 3rd Sunday of June. Okay, ये 3rd Sunday, जून के 3rd Sunday को Father's Day हम celebrate करते हैं. Okay, and 9th important day is Children's Day. When we celebrate Children's Day? Try to give answer. Yes, very good. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November. Okay, 14th November. In this day, Shri Jawaharlal Nehru was born. Okay, इस दिन हमारे जो देश के पहले प्रधानमंत्री थे उनका जन्म हुआ था और वो बच्चों से बहुत ही प्यार करते थे और उनकी इच्छा थी कि उनके जन्मदिन को चिल्ड्रंस डे के रूप में मनाया जाए। तभी हम 14th नवंबर को चिल्ड्रंस डे के रूप में मनाते हैं। ओके, देन लास्ट वन इज इंडिपेंडेंस डे। व्हेन वी सेलिब्रेट आवर इंडिपेंडेंस डे, अभी कुछ दिनों पहले हमने इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट किया था। यस, ट्राई टू गिव आंसर। वेरी गुड, वी सेलिब्रेट इंडिपेंडेंस डे ऑन 15th August। ओके, हम 15th अगस्त को इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। ओके, 15th अगस्त 1947 को हमने फ्रीडम जो है वो हमें मिली थी। ओके, दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट डेज एंड dates. That's all for today's class. I hope you understood this chapter properly. Dear students, revise this chapter again and I will be conducting a small test in the coming days. Thank you. Have a nice day.